Step into the world of cross-dressing, where self-expression takes flight and confidence soars. A cross-dressing photoshoot can be a powerful opportunity to embrace your true self, celebrating the complexity and beauty of gender expression. It's about capturing moments that speak volumes, freeze-framing your journey towards authenticity. But stepping in front of the camera as a cross-dresser can feel daunting. Questions swirl in our minds: what outfit should I choose? How can I achieve flawless makeup? Will I look natural on camera? These concerns are valid, but fear not. In this video, we'll delve into practical tips and guidance on how to prepare for a cross-dressing photoshoot while nurturing an unwavering sense of self-confidence. First and foremost, let's set aside any preconceived notions or societal expectations that may hinder us from fully embracing this experience. Remember, you have every right to express yourself authentically without shame or embarrassment. This photoshoot is an empowering act. It's about reclaiming control over our own narratives and showcasing the beauty found within blending boundaries. Embark with us on this journey as we unlock the secrets behind selecting dazzling outfits, mastering makeup techniques that accentuate your features flawlessly, striking poses that radiate confidence from within, all while staying true to who you are at heart. So gather inspiration from these pages filled with fashion-forward advice and transformational stories shared by individuals just like you. Individuals who know firsthand what it means to break free from limitations society places upon us based solely on appearance or identity. It's time to unravel your inner strength through stunning visuals that reflect unapologetic authenticity, because when art meets self-acceptance, magic happens. Let's embark together on this exhilarating path towards unleashing confidence through a captivating cross-dressing photoshoot experience. When preparing for a cross-dressing photoshoot, one of the most exciting and important aspects is selecting the perfect outfit. Your choice of clothing can help you express your unique style, boost your confidence, and create stunning visuals that capture your essence. But how do you find the right cross-dressing style that truly reflects who you are? Firstly, it's crucial to consider what kind of look or feeling you want to convey in your photoshoot. Are you going for a glamorous and polished aesthetic? Or perhaps a more edgy and alternative vibe? By defining your desired style, you can focus on finding outfits that embody those characteristics. Next, think about body proportions when selecting garments. Experiment with different silhouettes to highlight or minimize certain areas according to personal preference. For instance, an A-line dress can accentuate an hourglass figure while disguising wider hips. Pay attention to fabric choices as well. Materials like satin and silk can lend elegance and flowiness to your ensemble. Additionally, don't limit yourself by gender norms or stereotypes when it comes to fashion selection. Explore beyond traditional masculine or feminine attire. Mix elements from both ends of the spectrum if it resonates with your identity and aesthetic vision. Remember that exploring different styles allows a deeper understanding of oneself as well as creative growth. Be open-minded towards trying out new looks during fittings or even borrowing items from friends' wardrobes for added variety. Ultimately, whether classic elegance or avant-garde chicness speaks to you personally, make sure each piece feels comfortable so you exude confidence in every pose during the shoot. Because embracing authenticity is key. Cross-dressing photography is a form of artistic expression that allows individuals to explore and embrace different facets of their identity. It involves dressing in clothing traditionally associated with the opposite gender, presenting oneself with confidence and authenticity, and capturing stunning images that reflect one's unique style. However, achieving the desired results in a cross-dressing photoshoot goes beyond simply putting on an outfit and striking poses. Preparation plays a crucial role in ensuring that every aspect of the shoot, from outfit selection to makeup techniques to self-confidence building, aligns harmoniously to create an impactful visual narrative. When embarking on your journey towards a successful cross-dressing photoshoot, it's essential to dedicate time and effort into comprehensively preparing yourself. Begin by carefully curating your wardrobe, selecting outfits that not only flatter your figure but also convey the specific image or mood you want to portray. Experiment with different styles, colors, textures, and accessories to find ensembles that make you feel like your most authentic self, whether it be glamorous diva or edgy rebel. Equally important as choosing the right attire is mastering makeup techniques that accentuate your features while maintaining natural appeal. For many crossdressers, applying makeup can be daunting at first. However, diligent practice will unlock skills needed to achieve flawless transformations. From contouring facial features for added femininity or masculinity, depending on desired outcome, mastering eyeliner tricks for captivating eyes, or understanding how lip color affects overall look. Each step contributes significantly towards creating visually striking photographs. Preparing meticulously before stepping into center stage enables you to radiate confidence during the actual photoshoot session itself. After all, confidence is key when it comes to being photogenic. Invest time in practicing poses ahead of time. YouTube tutorials offer helpful tips, allowing you to get comfortable expressing emotions through body language while exploring a diverse range of creative possibilities. Additionally, never underestimate the power of self-confidence and body positivity. The more you feel comfortable in your own skin, the more natural and genuine your expressions will be in front of the camera. Engage with affirmations or visualization techniques that reinforce a positive image of yourself. Remember, confidence shines through from within and can truly transform an ordinary photo into a timeless masterpiece. By recognizing the importance of preparation in cross-dressing photography, you lay down a solid foundation for achieving remarkable results. Whether it's selecting the right outfits, honing makeup skills, practicing poses, or nurturing self-confidence, every aspect contributes to unleashing your true essence during the shoot. Embrace this transformative process as an opportunity for personal growth and artistic exploration that empowers you to express yourself authentically while creating stunning visuals that captivate viewers' eyes and hearts alike. When it comes to preparing for a cross-dressing photo shoot, applying makeup is an essential step that can truly enhance your femininity and help you achieve a natural-looking appearance. Whether you're going for glamorous or subtle, there are certain makeup products that are especially beneficial for cross-dressers. First and foremost, invest in a good primer. This will create a smooth canvas for your makeup application and ensure that it lasts throughout the day. Next, consider using color correctors to neutralize any discoloration or imperfections on your skin. Green correctors work wonders when it comes to toning down redness, while peach or orange ones can counteract darker pigmentation issues. Once the base is ready, focus on creating beautifully shaped eyebrows. Thick and sculpted brows have the power to instantly feminize your face. Use eyebrow pencils or powders in shades that closely match your hair color and fill them in lightly with gentle strokes. Then, opt for eyeshadows in soft neutral tones like beige, taupe, or warm browns to subtly define your eye shape without overpowering their beauty. For alluring feminine eyes, practice precision when applying eyeliner along the upper lash line. Make sure it's thin near the inner corner of each eye and gradually thickens towards the outer corner. This technique will open up your eyes while maintaining an elegant look. Apply 2 coats of mascara on both top and bottom lashes for added definition, but avoid clumping by using a clean brush afterwards to separate each lash. To complete this natural feminine glow, choose blushes in soft pinks or delicate peaches, colors reminiscent of flushed cheeks, and don't forget highlighter. A dab of highlighter applied strategically on specific areas such as Cupid's bow, the curve above the lips, cheekbones' highest peaks, and bridge noses adds dimensionality where light naturally hits, bringing luminosity to your face. Remember, the key to achieving natural-looking femininity with makeup is practice. Experiment with different products and techniques until you find what works best for you. Above all, embrace your individuality and have confidence in the beautiful transformation that can be achieved through skillful application of makeup tailored specifically for crossdressers. When it comes to cross-dressing photo shoots, striking the right pose can make all the difference in capturing your true essence. While there's no one-size-fits-all formula for posing, learning a few techniques tailored to different body types can help you showcase your best features and create stunning visuals that exude confidence. For those with a curvier figure, accentuating your natural curves is key. Try placing one hand on your hip and slightly angling your body to the side. This will help create an hourglass silhouette that highlights those enviable assets. Experiment with twisting or leaning forward slightly while keeping your back straight. Not only does this elongate your torso, but it also adds dimension to the photo. If you have a leaner physique, adding movement through dynamic poses can bring life to the frame. Lunging forward or crossing one leg over the other creates interesting shapes and works wonders for emphasizing long limbs. Consider using props like chairs or walls to add depth and variety to your poses. Whether you're aiming for sultry glamour or playful charisma in front of the camera, practicing beforehand in front of a mirror can be incredibly helpful. Take note of angles that flatter you most. Tilt your head slightly from different sides. Find out if standing at an angle makes any difference. Play around with subtle shifts in posture until you discover what feels most authentic yet captivating. Remember, these posing tips are mere guidelines. Don't be afraid to embrace experimentation and let yourself shine from within while giving directions when working with photographers. Ultimately, finding comfortability and showcasing who you truly are is what will make each pose uniquely yours, allowing both beauty and confidence radiate effortlessly through every shot. When it comes to a cross-dressing photoshoot, confidence is key. It's natural to feel a mix of excitement and nervousness before stepping in front of the camera, especially if you're new to expressing your gender identity through fashion and aesthetics. However, with the right mindset, techniques and strategies, you can boost your self-esteem and embrace your unique beauty during every moment of the shoot. One powerful way to build confidence is by selecting outfits that truly resonate with you. Choose garments that make you feel fabulous while allowing your personality to shine through. Whether it's a sleek gown that accentuates your curves or a tailored suit that exudes elegance, wearing an outfit that makes you feel amazing will naturally radiate confidence. Additionally, take some time for yourself before the shoot to practice positive affirmations. Remind yourself of all the reasons why embracing cross-dressing brings joy into your life. Whether it's exploring different aspects of self-expression or celebrating who you truly are at heart. Focus on these positive thoughts as you get ready for the shoot. They'll serve as reminders of the authentic and beautiful person standing confidently in front of the camera. You are not alone, both emotionally and technically. Discuss any insecurities or concerns with either your photographer or anyone else involved in making this photoshoot happen. Their support can work wonders on boosting one's morale throughout each frame captured. Lastly, but perhaps most crucially, have fun. A good laugh breaks down barriers quickly, so allow yourself room for spontaneity during various poses, ensuring genuineness shines through, resulting ultimately eye-catching shots packed full character. By implementing these strategies and embodying a confident mindset throughout every step of your cross-dressing photoshoot journey, you're sure to capture stunning images that showcase both inner strength and outer beauty, all whilst empowering yourself along with others within the LGBTQ+ community.